In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a poll in Slack. Whether you're gathering feedback, making group decisions, or just having a bit of fun with your team, creating a poll can be a great way to engage your colleagues. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through each step, making it easy for you to start polling in no time at all. First things first, open up your Slack application. If you're like most of us, it's probably a staple on your desktop, so fire that up. Now, when you're in, take a look over to your sidebar. You'll notice a variety of options, but what we're going to focus on is the More tab. Give that a click. Once you've clicked More, there's another step waiting for you. You'll want to find and select Tools. A little menu is going to pop up and you're looking for Apps. This is where all the fun begins because Slack has a fantastic array of apps you can integrate. And today, we're focusing on one in particular. Now, with the Apps section open, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type in Simple Poll. Simple Poll is a fantastic tool that integrates seamlessly with Slack, allowing you to conduct polls directly within your channels. Once you've typed that in, you'll see Simple Poll pop up in the results. Click on it to move to the next step. You should now see an option to install this app. Click on Install and you'll be prompted with a button saying Add to Slack. Go ahead and click it and Slack will take care of the rest of the process for you in moments. As with many apps, after you click Add to Slack, you'll need to allow certain permissions. Don't worry, this is just to let the app function properly within your chosen workspace. Make sure you choose the correct workspace where you want the polls to be used, and then grant those permissions. Now, you're all set to start using Simple Poll. Navigate back to any chat or channel within Slack where you want to set up your poll. This is where the magic happens. You can create a poll right from Slack by using a simple command. Just type poll followed by your poll question and options in quotes. Hit enter, and just like that, your first poll is up and running. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your very own poll in Slack. It's as easy as that, turning what might seem like a mundane task into an engaging and interactive activity for everyone involved. Happy polling!